Hi friends, this is the rate Monk, and today we are with the Karbonn Frame S9. So this is the latest smartphone what Karbonn has launched, and this will be coming in three colors. There will be grey, gold, and black. And overall, as far as the specs are concerned, it comes with the 5-inch HD display, quad-core processor, MediaTek 6737. It has a 8 megapixel in the back and 8 plus 8 megapixel in the front. So it is for the wide angle in the front, which is a good to take a groupie or group selfie. It is running on Android 7.0. The price written on the device is 8,999. I'm not sure it is the MRP price or this will be the final price of the product. But it comes with the 6 GB of internal storage, 2 GB of RAM, and 2900 milliampere battery. Now we will check inside the box what we are getting. So I'm just doing the unboxing. The packaging is little bit difficult as it has been packaged from the three sides. It comes with a dual SIM support. It has a VoLTE support. It can be expanded up to 32 GB. So here is the phone. Here you can see the phone. The phone looks pretty lightweight as not expected with the 2900 milliampere battery. It shows that it has a touch screen. It comes with the fingerprint sensor at the back, quad-core processor, and also 2 GB 16 GB storage. It has a 2900 milliampere battery. It has a OTG support. As far as the card is support, here you can see there are three slots differently. So it has a micro SD card slot and dual SIM card slot. So we are taking the back cover. As far as the device is concerned, it comes with the micro USB charging slot, so that is a not a fast charging for sure. As far as the earphones are concerned, it comes with the earphone. In earphone, there is a charging adapter. This is the rating is not mentioned yet. At least these all the things are bundled. Earphones are missing nowadays in the Chinese company smartphone. Here you can see the SIM card ejector tool, the user manual. There is a warranty card also additional. Here is the screen guard. So you have to get applied the screen guard from yourself, and there is also a silicone flip back cover which will protect your device. Now going to the device, here you can see on the side there is a volume button and the power key. It has a metallic finish, and we will try to eject the slots. So right now I am putting the SIM card slot, and here you can see it is a micro SD card slot where you can put the SD card, expand your memory. It can be expandable up to 32 GB, which is a great thing. And here it has a dedicated slot. So here you can see there are two SIM card slots. I am not sure that both the SIM card slots are 4G support or not, but it will SIM one will definitely support the 4G VoLTE. There's a SIM card slot, both slots can be done together, so this is not a hybrid slot, which is an added advantage. And overall at the back you can see there is a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, fingerprint sensor is there. Also the Karbonn branding is present in the bottom, and overall this is the black color. I'm not sure how the blue or the gold color will look or the gray color will look. I'm not sure the gray and the blue color, little bit confused, but this is the black color. In the bottom you're getting a micro USB charging slot and the speaker grills. On the top there is a 3.5 mm jack. So these things are intact. It is priced around 9,000. I think that it will go to the offline sale. As far as the specification is concerned, this display is 5.2-inch SD IPS display, and here you going into the settings looks pretty much different. I think that it has a skin above it, and it is running on Android 7.0. As far as the concern, it is running on Nougat. I think that the brand will get the upgrade of Oreo, which is a little bit disappointing as the Oreo should be there in 2018. Now coming to the display, here you can see it is a little bit bezel-less on the sides, but top and bottom there is definitely chin and forehead, which is a very big. And here are a few settings. I haven't tried and tested them. This is the first time I'm doing the unboxing, so I will not say that this is the review of the product, but it looks smooth. There is no lag. I'm still not sure that 2 GB and 16 GB how it will play around, and there are few preloaded apps, so the bloatware is definitely in the software. I haven't tried it much, so I can't say that it will lag or not. But overall, as far as the device is concerned, It looks little bit costlier, coming with 6737 quad core processor. It might be around 6 to 7,000. It will be a good choice to go around. Now jumping into the camera, the front camera is the highlight because it comes with the 8 plus 8 megapixel setup, which will take the wide angle photo, and the rear is also 8 megapixel camera, so definitely not a disappointment. It can take some portrait shot using the software, so there is not the dual camera effect. As far as the setting is concerned, here you can see there is a focus setting, there is also timer mode, there is a touch to click button, there is also this aspect ratio what you can change from 14:3 to other. Coming to the video setting, I haven't find that there is a full HD video recording or not, but going to the video quality setting, it tells that there is a high, medium and low quality what you can shoot. So this can be tested once I transfer the files into my system. There is a flash, LED flash at the back, and it has a smart photo detection. So it comes with some kind of AI, I guess. There are some filters. There is also panorama mode, watermark mode, time lapse, beauty mode, pro mode. Pro mode definitely gives you a chance to play around with the aperture and the shutter speed. There is a video mode, photo mode, and there is also a beauty mode, a face beauty mode where you can change the beautification that, and also the bokeh mode. So I have tried and tested with the bokeh mode. So here you can see it is completely on the software basis. There is not much in the settings, and jumping into that normal beauty mode, photo mode, these are the few features what you are getting. Now jumping into the front camera, here you can see in the bottom there is a wide angle mode. So here you can see in the frame it covers a lot of area, so taking a groupie or a selfie will be much easier thing. Now jumping into the samples, so this was taken, you can see the portrait shot didn't came out well. This is the wide angle shot, this is the normal selfie shot, so you can see the area. This is the bokeh shot, so the bokeh shot didn't came out well because it is a software thing. Now jumping into the part, the OS upgrade, maybe Karbonn will roll out soon, not sure about that. This is all about Karbonn Frames S9. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.